Hi, and thanks for joining me in this video about meteorological instrumentation. Specifically in this video, we're going to start talking about units, and also we are going to look at significant figures in another video. When we discuss units, what do we exactly mean by units? We're going to start out by describing physical quantities, units, and values. And then from there, work our way into the international system of units. So if we take some physical quantity, like the height of the Washington Monument, and we measure that, we get some numbers and we get some units. So what exactly are these numbers, and what do we mean by units? First off, the physical quantity is a quantity that can be used in mathematical equations of science and technology. An example of a physical quantity is the height of the Washington Monument. Not the numbers or the units, but just the term, the height of the Washington Monument. Other examples of physical quantities are your shoe size, or the outside air temperature. We don't have a number that we've assigned to them yet. We haven't made that measurement, nor did we express the units that they're measured in. So we're going to tackle those now. A unit is a particular physical quantity that's defined and adopted by everyone so that we can compare and express values. There are so many different types of units. There are meters, feet, if you're talking about length, but also temperature. There is Kelvin. Area is meters squared. Weight is in kilograms. So those are units. And then finally, the value of a physical quantity is the number and the unit of the measurement. So this is what we use in mathematical expressions whenever we do calculations, and whenever we are discussing measurements with other people, we have to include the number and also the unit. So an example of a value of a physical quantity, the Washington Monument, it's 169 meters or 555 feet. So those are some real basic terms that we take for granted, but I wanted to make sure that we're all talking about the same thing. So that's why I've created these slides in this video. In the next video, we'll start looking at the SI units of measurements.